In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Substack Notes. Substack Notes is a quick, lightweight way to share short updates, ideas, links, or works in progress with your audience without committing to a full newsletter. Think of it as a fast, conversational post that keeps your readers enrolled between longer pieces. Start on your Substack dashboard. Look for the Create button, typically near the top of the page. Clicking Create opens a small menu of publishing options. This is your starting point for any new content, and it ensures you're choosing the right format for what you want to share. From that menu, select Note. Choosing Note tells Substack you're posting something short and timely rather than a full article. Notes prioritize speed and simplicity, so you can get thoughts out quickly, react to news, or share a link without crafting a long essay. It's ideal for starting conversations and staying visible to your readers between major posts. Now, type your note. Keep it concise and clear. Lead with the main idea in the first sentence so it's instantly understandable in the notes feed. If you're sharing a link or a quick take, add 1 or 2 lines of context so your audience knows why it matters. Aim for a friendly, direct tone, like you're talking to a thoughtful reader who has a minute to spare. If you include a quote or a takeaway, make it skimmable. Before you move on, read it once out loud in your head to catch typos and ensure it flows. If your note references an ongoing series or a recent newsletter, mention that connection briefly so readers can follow along. Keeping your note focused will help it land well. When you're happy with how it reads, click Post. Posting publishes your note to your Substack Notes feed and makes it visible to your followers there. It's designed to be fast, so expect it to go live right away. After posting, take a moment to confirm it appears the way you intended. If you notice a small error, you can update the note afterward, but getting it right before you click Post is always best. Consistency builds trust, and notes are a great way to maintain that rhythm with minimal effort. That's all there is to it. Click Create, choose Note, write your message, and post. With a few thoughtful lines, you can keep your community engaged, share timely insights, and show up more often without the pressure of a full-length piece. Give it a try today and see how notes can streamline your publishing flow.